Okay, good morning class. Before we start our discussion, who wants to lead the prayer? Okay. Okay, Shiloh. Okay. Good morning class. I am your teacher for today. I am Angel Maker Delia. So, who wants to who wants to sing and dance before we start our discussion? Okay. Okay. Now, form a line straight and sing and dance with me. Follow me, okay? Ulo abaga, hawak dapi-dapi, tuhod tiil, tuhod tiil. Ulo abaga, hawak dapi-dapi, tuhod tiil, tuhod tiil. Okay, so we are done with our energizer. Now, so now kids, pick up the trash and I will check your attendance, okay? Okay. So, are you done picking your trash? Picking up your trash? Okay. Now I will check your attendance. Shiloh, Jackie, Idel, Ricolin, Kevin, RJ, RJ, okay, Syra, Jane. Okay, we only have RJ. RJ is absent. Okay. So, before we start our discussion, I will read the learning objective. At the end of the discussion, the student should be able to, number 1, or letter A, recognize the planets in our solar system and know their order from the sun. B, explain why the sun is very important to all the planets. And C, show the correct arrangement of the planets using models and drawing. Good morning class. Today we will talk about the solar system. So, look outside. What do you see shining brightly in the sky during the day? Yes, that is the sun. But have you ever wondered what else is out there? Is there a sun alone? Or the sun has a neighbor? Today, we're going to meet the sun's big family. We're going to learn their names, sizes, and where they live. Are you ready to explore the solar system? So before that, I will give you this one. I will group you into three groups so that you can observe or see what are the planets nearest to the sun. So I have here a picture of a planet or a solar system that you can choose your teammates. So you are 30 in this classroom, so you will group yourself into 10 groups. And I will give you each of these, okay? Okay. Now, because you have the photo on you, that will help you to guide throughout our discussion. Are we done, class? Okay. So before we jump to meet the solar system, we will play a game first. So what game are we going to play? A puzzle. So I have here a puzzle piece. You will arrange this with your teammates. So I group you into 10, so you will help each other to arrange this one. Okay? Okay. Okay, this is for you. So, okay. Are we done? Are we done, class? Look closely at the puzzle and name what you see. Okay, group 1. Yes, very good. Group 2. What do you notice about the color and the shapes and share it to your classmate? What do you notice about the color and the shapes of your planet? Okay, very good. Look at the picture of solar system that I gave you because I have a question. So, who is the star of the solar system? Who give us light and heat every day? Yes, very good. It is the sun. Do you think the sun lives alone in the space or it does have a neighbor? Yes, very good. The sun has 8 neighbors. Number 3, what do you think are those big balls that we see moving around the sun? Okay, those are the planets. So, all the puzzle pictures that you see are planets. Do you understand, class? Very good. Now, we will discuss about the solar system. So, inner planets, these are the first 4 planets closest to the sun. They are small, solid, and hard like rocks. So, the example of these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The next one is the outer planets. These planets are the last 4 planets far from the sun. They are very huge, made mostly of gases and ice, and very cold. The example of these planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, our first planet is Mercury, the speedy little planet, the smallest planet. If the Earth is a basketball or the size of a basketball ball, Mercury is just a tennis ball. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury travels the sun faster than other planets. That means if you live on Mercury, your birthday will come every 3 months because it takes 88 days on Earth or to the Earth to complete the whole trip. Next is Venus. Venus is the bright shining neighbor, the second planet from the sun, almost the same size as the Earth, called Earth twin. Venus is looked like a yellowish white ball. This is because it is wrapped by a thick heavy clouds. Those clouds are what we call gases. It also traps heat, that's why Venus is the hottest planet. Next is Earth, our wonderful home, the 3rd planet from the sun. The Earth is the 5th largest planet and called blue planet. So, why is it called blue planet? It is called blue planet because 71% of it is covered by water. So, mainly water from the ocean. So, the Earth is the only planet where we people or living things can survive. Next is the Mars. So, Mars is the red planet, the 4th planet from the sun. Smaller than Earth, it also has 2 tiny moons. So, next is we have Mars. Mars is called red planet because it is very full of iron dust, and Mars looks like very much like desert areas like here in the Earth. It has huge dusty lands, deep valleys, and a big gaseous volcanoes. And the Mars has two tiny moons called Phobos and Deimos. So next is we have Jupiter, the giant king, the fifth planet from the sun, the biggest planet. It has more than 95 moons and very thin faint. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It has stripes and bands of clouds in the shades of white, orange, yellow, and red. Those stripes are strong winds blowing in the different directions. Jupiter is made of helium gases, same gases we use to fill up balloons that float up the sky. So, the Jupiter is made of helium gases. Next is we have Saturn, the jewel of the solar system, the sixth planet from the sun, the second largest planet. It has 146 moons, the most number of moons discovered so far. So, Saturn, it belongs to the group called gaseous giants. The Saturn is called the ring planet. It is surrounded by amazing bright and wide and bright rings. The rings are made of billion pieces of ice, rocks, dust, and some as grains of sand. It also has 146 moons discovered so far. Most famous one is called Titan, bigger than the planet Mercury. So imagine it is more bigger than the planet Mercury. Diba? Next is we have the Uranus, the tilted ice giant, the seventh planet from the sun, the third largest planet. It has 27 moons and 10 dark rings. Imagine holding a globe and tilting it all the way over until it lies almost sideways. The exactly flow Uranus moves, the scientists think long ago a huge object crashed into it and knocked it over, and it has stayed this way ever since. Uranus gets 42 years of sunlight and 42 years of darkness. Uranus have a 27 moons, 10 short rings. And next, we have Neptune, the windy blue giant, the 8th farthest planet from the sun, the 4th largest planet, and it takes 165 Earth years to go around the sun, and it has 14 moons and faint rings. So, Neptune, it has methane gas in its clouds. Neptune has much more of this gas, and its atmosphere is thicker. It's also one of the coldest planet you can ever imagine. The temperature drops around 214 Celsius, freeze almost not heat from this planet. It is the most coldest planet because that planet is more farther from the sun. So that is the reason why Neptune is the coldest planet. Again, class, how many planets is there in the solar system? Yes. Yeah, we have 8 planets. So, number 2, what are those planets? Yes. Very good. Next is, what is the placement of the sun, or where is the placement of the sun? Yes. Yes, in the middle. So, now that you see, now, now that you have seen what are the parts of solar system, this time in the same group you will write in the paper what are the correct order of the sun. Okay. I will give you 2 minutes for that. Are we done? Okay. So, next is, I have another game for you. So that I will know if you really have listened to my discussion. So, go with your group and the name of this game is Guess Who I Am. Okay. So, number 1. I am the closest planet and I run faster. Faster or fast. Who am I? Yes, group 1. Very good. Let's give the group 1 a mosquito clap. Repeat after me. 1 mosquito, 2 mosquito, many mosquito. Okay. 1 mosquito, 2 mosquito, many mosquitoes. So, next is, I roll sideways like a ball. Who am I? Yes. Very good. Next is, I am your home and I am the only one with life. Who am I? Yes. Very good. Give yourself a 5 clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now, because I know that you have listened to my discussion, get 1/4 sheet of paper. So, I have here a question or a assessment. Okay, number 1. Oh, before I read the question, the direction is circle the letter of the correct answer. So, number 1. What is the center of our solar system? A. Earth. B. Moon. C. Sun. Okay, number 2. How many planets are there in our solar system? Number 1, 7. Letter A, 7. Letter B, 8. Letter C, 9. Okay. Number 3. Which planet is known as our home, where people, animals, and planet live? A. Mars. B. Earth. C. Venus. Okay. Sorry about that, class. Number 4. Which planet is the biggest of them all? A. Jupiter. B. Mercury. C. Neptune. Next. Okay. Number 5. Which planet has beautiful rings around it? A. Saturn. B. Uranus. C. Mars. Are we done? Okay. Next is, we have identification. Number 1. Blank, it is the planet closest to the sun and the smallest one. Okay, number 2. Blank is called the red planet. Are we done? Okay. Number 3, blank is the hottest and the brightest planet. Okay. Number 4, blank is the farthest planet from the sun and it is very blue. Okay. Next. Blank is the planet rolls or moves on its side. Okay, are we done? So pass your paper in front. Okay. For your assignment as a group, make a solar system with the make a solar system out of plastic materials or recyclable materials, and you will make it with your group. Pass it on Monday. Okay? Please stand up. Goodbye, class. Goodbye. See you on Monday.